So guys, if you are unable to log in your Instagram account, or you also find this kind of problem when you try to log in your account, sometimes so the password is wrong and sometimes shows your username is not correct. So friends, in this situation, if you want to fix this issue and want to log in your account, keep in mind and recheck that your username is correct. And if you think your username is correct, then tap on forgotten password. And friends, fill your email address or username. And guys, if your account is linked with phone number, you can also tap search by mobile number instant. So friends, for now email address is linked with my account, so simply I will fill mail address. And friends, then tap on continue option. And friends, as you tap on continue option, a OTP will be sent to your mail address or phone number which you selected. Or friends, after filling the OTP, a new page will be open. Create a new password. So friends, in this page, create a new password of your Instagram account. And as you create a new password, then friends, tap on continue option. And as you tap on continue option, the password of your account will be changed. And guys, you can easily log in your Instagram account by filling your username, mail address, or the current password which you changed. Or friends, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.